Hi, my name is David Jesse Odhiambo, and I'm a full stack developer with Zone 01 Kisumu. I've been with Zone 01 Kisumu for the past 1 year, and it has been an amazing experience. During this time, I've mastered JavaScript and Go, which I use for the front end and back end respectively. An interesting project that I've done with these languages is Diawise, which is a health platform that is used by persons living with diabetes to manage their condition. So for Diawise, we are leading with 3 pillars: education, nutrition, and community. For education, we are consolidating educational resources to persons living with diabetes so that they can better manage their condition. For nutrition, we offer alternative foods that are available locally to persons living with diabetes. For community, we offer a community so that the people living with diabetes can interact with each other, sharing the challenges that they face living with the condition. So what I'm currently working on is a car valuation platform, a platform that I've built from scraping popular car marketplaces like Gigi and Facebook Marketplace. What this platform allows you to do is check the value of a car from its condition, mileage, and year of manufacture. You can find this and other projects that I've worked on from my GitHub. The username is davjesse, DAVJESSE. We can also connect from my LinkedIn, David Jesse Odhiambo.